Hi, this is the Goofy Granny Guru. I received my Avon order today, and I'm going to do a little unboxing for y'all. First off, this was what came in the box, Beauty for a Purpose. And then it says Be Beautiful. And it's thanking you for shopping with them. Well, thanking me. Here's how it came packaged. I couldn't help it. I ended up ripping the little sticker. But it has this real pretty tissue paper. And first thing I come upon in here is Avon Pro Crease Brush. And it's got plastic and little bubble wrap to protect it. I'm really happy with their packaging. Yeah, I needed a new crease brush by Avon. It's nice and soft, fluffy. Secondly, I ordered a foundation brush. Same thing, plastic and bubble wrap. Foundation brush, and then it's in Spanish, I believe. Avon. Good quality. Nice and soft. Lots of bristles. Okay. And then I got a concealer in the shade Fair. Let's open this bad boy up. I saved the unboxing for you all. I'm just now opening this stuff, as you can see. Extra Lasting Concealer, Avon. Oops, backwards, sorry. There's the color. A little swatchy. Okay. Needed some more of that, definitely. I was out of it. And I got these black Delmar Active Pants. They have the elastic waistband and a little drawstring here. And a little zipper pocket on both sides, little zipper pockets. Oh, they're nice and soft and a thin material. Perfect for my fat ass to start exercising in this spring. I say it like it is. I don't care. Okay. The next thing is liquid foundation. Extra Lasting. Medium beige. E201. Go come open. Here's what it looks like. Nice bottle. I like the red lid. There's the color there. This one here. It's nice and creamy. Blends out pretty good. Doesn't look oily or anything. Lightweight. Not bad, not bad at all. Not bad at all. At all. I better get me a wipe because I don't want to get this all over my other stuff. Okay. I just became an Avon lady like the past week and a half. And I'm liking it so far. Actually, I'm loving it. Your stuff's pretty good. I like. I forgot what I ordered. Oh. Let's see. Woo. Okay, this is the new clean cleansing brush for all skin types. I needed a new one desperately because I was getting those El Cheapo ones and they would just fall apart. Oh, nice. Doesn't have any batteries in it, but here's what it looks like. Good quality. And there's the on-off button right there. It says a new clean. And then, oh, it came with a little base. You sit it in. And the little brush that attaches. I like it. That's nice. Really, really nice. I'm happy about that. Alright, and last but not least, look inside the box. It's real pretty light green bubble wrap. And there's the tissue paper. Beauty for a Purpose, Avon. And then this here is my cream and sugar set, ceramic, because I'm a coffee addict. Get it out of the box. Oh, so cute. You know, the styrofoam without dropping it on the floor and breaking it, that wouldn't be good. Here's the sugar. Little sugar container for the coffee. A little thing here. I guess to sit a little spoon down in there. Lid comes off like that. And then I guess that's in Spanish over here. Okay, and now for the little creamer holder. Oh, it's got a little spout on the end. I'm just going to put powdered creamer in mine because I'm trying to stay away from those liquid creamers. They have so many darn calories. And it says milk right there. Yep. And it's dishwasher safe. Not for oven or microwave use. You're so cute. Okay. Well, that's it for this order. I'll be getting a lot more stuff soon to show you all. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Or down, whatever. Well, I wouldn't appreciate it down, but it's your choice. And please subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.